Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Hair Hacks. I hope you are all fine and doing well. In this video today I will show you a beautiful haircuts and hairstyle. Haircuts will change your personality and volumize your hair. So my dear friend, let's talk about today's trendy fashion about hairs. Hair color, short hair are today's trend. If you love to follow trends, you will cut your hair. You will color your hair into different style and different sizes, like layer cutting, shaggy haircuts, pixie haircuts, layer fine haircuts, layer curvy haircuts, short bob cuts, step cutting, and much more haircuts. These kinds of cutting will change your personality, look great, gorgeous, and stylish. And my dear friends, if you are a new subscriber on my channel, so make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest and new daily updates, and like my all videos and share it with your friends, family members, and all other social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of video do you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much you are watching my video. Once again, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new collection, new ideas, and new trendy fashion about hairs. We will be right back with a new video and new trendy haircuts. Thank you so much. Keep supporting me. Keep on watching. Till then, take care and bye.